Well, today is the 7th of May. I've got a new toy from China. I've been ripped off by the government. This was held in customs and I had to pay. I'm very upset about that. But anyway, let's talk about the good stuff. This is the newest keyboard I got from, I bought it from AliExpress. It cost me 290 of our currency here. And I had to pay an extra exorbitant 150 to the government, this wonderful government. This is an Aula F87. So it's a TKL keyboard. And I'm very excited to try it out because according to many videos I watched before I made the purchase, this is like a thocky experience from like a built-in stock thocky experience. I'm hoping I won't be disappointed. So I suppose there's another box inside. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Aula F87. Let's open it up. And all right. We got a little manual in Chinese. Okay, there's an English version as well. Little keyboard map. And here is the board. You see, this color scheme is not available, not even on Aula's website. I don't know why, but it looks prettier in person than on the pictures. I'm very satisfied. Let's just have the first feel. Oh, wow. Oh, thocky goodness. Oh, damn. Yeah, fuck the government, but it was worth it. All right, pretty cool. Let's do a little type-in test. All right, now let's do a quick sound test of this beautiful keyboard. First thing I did was I turned off all the lights because I'm sorry about the RGB enthusiasts out there, but I don't really care about them. So oh my God, so good. These are all factory lubed and they sound amazing. They sound amazing. So yeah, like all the videos I had watched before making the purchase, they were real. They were real. So if you like a soft, thocky keyboard, and at least in my opinion, great looking keyboard, you can safely go for this Aula F87 or the other form factors that they have available. Well, that's it for now. I'm going to enjoy my new keyboard. Goodbye.